Removing watermark in Alight Motion. In today's video, you are going to learn how to remove watermark in Alight Motion. So let's get started. Suppose you have this footage and you want to remove the watermark. So in order to do that, you have to export video, and now with the exported video, you have to save it. As you can see, I have this video on my screen and now I am exporting it. After exporting it, it will be saved. I have two options. The one is save and the other is share. I will click on the option save and it will be saved into my gallery. After that, I will move to my CapCut mobile application, and in the CapCut mobile application, I have to do the further process. Now, you have to be careful while editing. So when you are in your CapCut application, just have to import the video you have just saved in your gallery. Now the saved video will appear in your CapCut, and now you have the option, and that option is edit. Now from CapCut you can edit the watermark accordingly. That's all. That's how you will be able to remove watermark in Alight Motion.